What type of girl are you? The hipster, the hardcore girl, the pastel goth, the swag Asian, the kawaii girl.
Attack the D-point!
Nope.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Thanks for standing still, wanker.
Oh, look!
Сука, блядь!
Yes! Come to Papa, please! Oh, okay.
Hey, wait a minute.
Holy shit!
Man, look how festive I am. Alright, he's in limbo. Yippee! Whee! Ow! What the?
That wasn't very Christmassy of them.
That was not very Christmassy, that is true. I'll take some of these, actually. You rascal. You come here with presents and expect me not to notice? You forehead. Okay, pink/red is kind of creaming everyone, so...
Hey, yo!
Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Alright, cool. Man. Oh my god, a monster! Oh heavens.
You need a new vehicle?
That was disgusting.
No!
Well, that didn't work. A random bounce. I'm dead. Everyone hang out. I have errands to run. Just hold on.
First place, stellar
Oh.
performance.
I wanted to kill him, but like this is fine, I guess.
Huh?
Oh, I'm coming. I did that. Oh. Oh.
I'm coming for you!
Oh.
Oh no.
Behind you, run, he's behind you. Run.
Must go faster. Must go faster.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Enemy spotted.
Oh no, me hurts! Wait a minute!
Well, this sucks.
Look at him. Wait, I need this for a thumbnail.
The Great Migration of the SCM-2C.
Every winter, FCM2C's journey up the river.
Their large bodies
Wait, the
providing
description isn't
temperate
bad.
warmth to keep them going through the cold months.
Oh, that guy's a. Oh my god! Fire! Fire at will!
No!
Fire at will!
Fire to the
was
fire to the one
crossed.
side! Fire to the one side!
How do we get across?
Move,
You
we
just
move
go!
I am not
Forward,
liking it
forward,
across. They're actually
forward!
fine.
Oh wait, never mind! Stop outside! Ships ahoy! It's so dumb, but it's so awesome.
Oh, Son Session out there!
I've disabled his rudder!
I tracked him again. Go rain, private.
Ship has been sunk!
Oh,
Torpedo
we're
boat
thinking
is
of it all.
arriving!
Enemy
Torpedo
ship
boat destroyed!
Enemy schooner has been sunk!
There's a T-32 back there too.
Garrison has been captured. Well done, sailors.
You look familiar. As do you.
Integrity at 0%. Evacuate the vehicle.
I know, Spock, I know. Alright, Manticore's got out of range. I'll go innies. Oh god, innies! Innies, help! Awesome. Whoa. Right, wife, life, good. Oh, wait. Man. EBR, I swear to God. I swear. I'm swearing. I'm swearing out loud. EBR, get him! Somebody get him! Alright, I'll get him. Hold on. Alright. He drowned. Speed, speed. Speed. Stop him! Hey, we're supposed to be on defense. Meh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, please kill the type soon. Oh yeah, get him. Make him sad. Make him so scared that he's Italian. Alright, that's kind of a thumbs up moment right there, I don't know. You know what else is a thumbs up for getting— holy shit, wait, what? Man, look at that. Look at that beauty of a land ship. Pew! That's over. Got my sweet dodging? I learned it myself. It's better than nothing. Oh! Calm down. Everything's fine. Everything's fine! A bit high, but sure. A bit non-penning, but sure. A bit... He's at quite an angle. What if I could hit his sponson and he explodes instantly? Yes! More! Alright, that works. Hey. Hey, stop. Sweet direct hit into me? Sweet goddess gunner? He missed again. There it is. Oh, I'm stuck here for a real long time. I like the happy skulls.
Terrain. Pull up.
Big plane energy. The artillery fire is messing me. Oh no.
Pinch of potassium chloride, one errant twitch, and
Hello. I'm large. Oh, we are large. Alright. Let's put these chairman strats to action. Close. Closer. Closer. Closer! Closer! I gotta get us back. Wait, hold on. Closer! Oh, there's a Garand. There's a Garand. Oh man, he has so many people in there. Alright, there's his radiator. There he goes. Where's that Garand? He's slowly moving closer. Oh shit, got him. Can I... Ow! Oh, well, I'm just gonna use Artie then.
Got better.
Ow. Is that still too low? Oh, come on, man! I just want to shoot something! I'm dead! Thank you for the South African Air Force roundel. Oh, wow, 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 wow! Wee, wee, yo! Alright, cool. Hey, guys. I can what? There's a hole there? Wait. Did I... Wait a minute. Did I actually just clip to the ground? I think I actually did. Okay.
no.
I just had to look at him. I had to look better. Look, I'm just here to hang out. Whoa! Whoa! No, wait. Hello. We have the spinners next. Long power. Yes. I was too long for you. Aye. And it's the rising blocks. Oh, the rising blocks might be really bad for me because I'm really small. Oh my god. You just turn into an actual firework if you do that. No! Okay. It's fine. Oh my god! Ew! That's allowed? No! 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 safety. For safety. No! No, I'm not gonna get you baited again. I won't let it happen. Hey, look, I made it. Guys, I made it. M speed. Wow! Wow! Alright, I'm defense. I'm on defense! I'm on. Oh. You know, I'll just go over here. Zhenlan mode. Okay. I got second. Yay!
I'm like, I'm infertile. This control's so bad. This is such a shit game.
We got it.
Aki could chicken me. Aki could chicken me.
Literally
Oh
could check it
my
all over.
God.
How do you boost?
So you can play this entire game one-handed, technically.
That's awesome. I'm gonna do that.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Oh, nice seed.
Dude.
Oh my god.
No. The hammer. Oh, the hammer is a 1 second animation.
Oh.
It's like 1 frame.
Aki, you're trash.
What's the rocket? That.
Did you see that explosion?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What?
I
No!
pressed left once. I pressed it once.
What is this?
I'm getting chicken. I'm chigging myself. No.
That's the best shark I've ever seen.
No way, you're pushing a banana mid-air.
Yo, who put a banana on the coin? That is some
That was Aki. I can't.
Oh no!
No!
Bro, it's getting the most useless ability.
Nice elephant.
What happened?
Bro gave up.
No, leave me alone. What the hell? Oh my god, there's so many bananas. More. More bananas.
What?
An actual road.
I know, right? I already got sideswiped. I already got sideswiped.
Oh, this is the wrong way, guys. Hey, I got a bubble. Hey guys, look, I got a bubble. Hey guys, I hit a banana.
Aki sold. Aki sold.
Hey, I hit a banana, guys. Guys, there's a banana there.
Aki.
Guys, there's a banana there. Guys, there's a banana there. What do these do? Help! Help me!
That was like one of the worst gaming experiences I've had in a while. That was so bad.
Open sesame!
Hey, is that one purple?
Hello, your computer.
Nice car. Purple is my favorite color.
He's nice.
Purple gay!
I am an alpha male gamer.
3.
That was weird.
I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo.
No.
The bomb's going down.
No. Holy shit! I one-shot that guy. Idiot.
Oh my
Stupid
god.
idiot.
Hey, bottles.
Oh god, no! Sweet meat.
5-star question.
Raydao! Raydao is coming! Raydao is here!
No! I
You
think he
suck.
sees you. I think he sees you.
Thank God you did that.
Shark!
No! Hey, I don't have a spear.
I'm so drugs.
Yeah.
My God.
I'm sorry.
That was awful. That was disgusting.
Oh, this one worse than ours.
Oh my God, there's so
My game.
there's so many carrots. Help. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. You are definitely moving. I don't know if I like that though.
Oh,
I was full.
Bro, man, you got banana slamming from that. That's crazy.